Good morning, boys and girls. As we have this last Thursday in February, I would like to continue to talk with you about Black History Month. And in fact, I would like to highlight its origin in 1915, when a gathering of African Americans observing the 50th anniversary of the Emancipation Proclamation was held in the city of Chicago. From this event that drew thousands of Black Americans from across the country grew what is today designated as Black History Month. America has long been designated the land of innovation. The spirit of American creativity has persisted throughout. The first American patent was granted in 1641, and this process goes on and on today. One group of prolific inventors, however, has been largely ignored by history: Black inventors who were born or forced into slavery. Though U.S. patent law was created with colorblind language to foster innovation, the patent system consistently excluded these inventors from recognition. Today, I would like to highlight a few of those. First, you see here Thomas Jennings. He was the first Black patent holder, and he invented the amazing process of dry cleaning in 1821. Norbert Riley is a free man who invented the revolutionary sugar refining process in 1840. Raise your hand if you enjoy sugar. Thank you, Robert. Here we have Elijah McCoy, who obtained 57 patents over the course of his lifetime. Today, and last but certainly not least, we want to highlight Lonnie Johnson, who developed the Super Soaker gun. Who has fun with those in the summer? I know my boys and I do. And boys and girls, he has grew and developed this industry to $1 billion Super Soaker industry. And not only that, but he is also an aerospace engineer, and he developed the thermoelectric energy converter. So while we end the month of February in Black History Month, we will continue to talk about the important contributions and the importance of all of us in our society. I thank you for joining these conversations with me and in your classrooms. Have a wonderful Thursday.